This is going to be a video tutorial on how to customize your home page in Vivaldi. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04. Let me jump over to my browser. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To customize your home page, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to where you see the little Vivaldi logo. You want to click on that drop down. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in this little dialog box that opens up, I am on the very top tab, General, and right off to the right side here it says Home Page. By default it's probably set to Start Page. You want to toggle on Specific Page. And then in this box right here you will paste the URL of the web page that you want to use as your home page. That is how to customize your home page in the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.